Confidence leads to competence or perceived competence. And please don't confuse confidence with arrogance. But if you are confident and humble, people will think that you're competent and likable at the same time. And so confidence leads to great sales skills. And great sales skills leads to the ability to raise money. And the ability to raise money leads to the ability to create companies. And the ability to create companies leads to the ability to innovate and disrupt industries like Uber and Airbnb have, etc. So you need to come across as confident when you're selling your product or service, because perceived confidence often leads to perceived competence, which should help you increase your selling success rates. So how do you become more confident? Well, it's all up here. Just like the Rodin sculpture, I think, therefore I am. And the simple reason why people are not confident is because they care what other people think of them. And that's a recipe for career and self-sabotage. Whether or not you think you can do it, you're right. So you can stop this self-sabotage right now, because today is day one and not one day. And I'm going to boost your confidence right now. And this exercise that we're going to do can and will change your life if you take it seriously. So what I want you to do, please, is I want you to open up your workbook and I want you to go to page 16, because we're going to do an exercise together. So let me show you, actually. I'll do it here. I'll go picture in picture. All right, let's go back to the link I gave you guys. Workbook. Here we go, right here. Cool. All right. So you're going to go to page 16, which I think is tip number 15. Yeah, here it is here. Okay, great. Excellent. So in this exercise, what I want you to do, please, is I want you to fill in the blanks. Okay? So I want you to answer this question 10 times. I don't care what people think of X. Okay? For example, I don't care what people think of my career passion. Or I don't care that people I work with have more experience than me. Or I don't care what people think of who I am. Or I don't care that what people think of my life choices, as this is my life. Okay? And someone else's opinion of you does not have to become your reality. So if you get rid of self-doubt, then you can sell yourself better.